If you find a spreadsheet with lots of conditional formatting on it, you may want an easy way to remove it. So here you can see we've got sum, which looks okay, but this is a mess. So there's a couple of ways you can remove it. So firstly, we can go to conditional formatting, and you'll see here it says clear rule. We can either clear the rules from the selected cells or clear rules from entire sheet. So if we click this, everything goes away. I'm just going to undo. Better would be if this is looking a bit of a mess, we would highlight it, conditional formatting, clear rules, and I could say clear rules from selected cells. So if I click that, they all go away. I'm just going to undo again. But probably a better way of doing it, especially with this where you can see there's lots happening, is rather go to conditional formatting, choose manage rule. What you'll see is you can now choose what must it show you. So this is showing the current selection. We can see all the items that exist here. And what we can do is then say, well, okay, we definitely don't want the icons, delete rule, apply it, and you'll see it looks better already. So you can do it that way. Manually go through each one. That one also we know is not. When I apply it, it looks a bit better. What I can do as well is I don't have to just look at the current selection. I can say look at this worksheet, which then shows me all of them. So it shows me that, and this. We can then decide from that point. Probably the easiest is to go to current selection and then make your decision.